If you're looking for a way to brighten your mom's Mother's Day, follow along and make this Mother's Day craft with me. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you need are scissors, a paper plate, a paintbrush, a black marker, yellow and orange paint. Let's begin by making a sun out of the paper plate. Cut triangles into the plate. The next step is to paint the sun yellow. Next, make a handprint in the center of the sun. The last step is to write the message. If you'd like to hang it, punch a hole through the plate and tie a string through it. And this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope your mom enjoys this craft. Thank you for watching and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.